Good morning, CB. CB's hitting the sausage, egg, and cheese. They cut the tree down. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And today's summer adventure, an outside shower repair featuring CB2 and his egg sandwich. CB2, what do you got for us? CB2 is a loss of words today. A little beat up today. We're going to see you at the job, and we're going to get the shots. Okay. CB discovered this. So we don't know what we're going to do. If we're going to ProPress it, maybe unsweat the tee and ProPress it, or just cut everything out and put couplings and tees. We don't know yet. What do you think? Should we unsweat it? Let me see a tee. Oh, I need my glasses, Chuck B. So we're thinking, you know what, Chuck? I think we're going to unsweat it. We're going to unsweat it and ProPress it. And we're going to be home free. So I'm going to break out my torch, which I hate to do. Chuck, don't forget that piece of sandcloth. Oh, he got it. That CB is getting good. CB's getting good. I like it. That's the easy one. Oh, CB, you're tired. I'm tired. Give me some sandcloth. Let's do the easy one first. All right. Let's make sure there's nothing else broke. There will come. Oh, guess what? 2 breaks. Alright. Alright. Here's what we're doing. We're going to redo it. 2 ball valves. Alright, forget it. Changing the plan here. I just found another break. Right here. Boom. You see that pipe cutter, CJ? Where I put my gloves at? I didn't carry them out of the truck, did I? Hey, baby. Alright, here's what we're going to do. The water's off, so I hope this pipe ain't broken the wall, man. It might be. It might be, Chuck. Here we go.
Got a really good
thing. Hmm? It might be broken in the wall. We'll find out shortly.
CB, what do you, the cut was below. There's a break below that.
Alright. I was trying to keep the valves up high, so now I'm going to add a coupling over there, you know what I mean?
I thought you were trying to save copper.
Nah, not at all. But I will unsweat that. So I unsweat this? Yeah.
Or just cut it right above it.
I might unsweat it and burn it. I'll just put the T a little higher. Alright. Alright, stand them up. This is gonna be our start point right here. Where's the valve at?
Like that one.
Yeah. This will be our valve here. Our start point. So we'll coupling that, make them both the same. Boom. And this will be our T, okay? I'm gonna go grab the strap, clean them up, keep yourself a measurement. All right, CB.
Sounds good.
All right, pal. strap real quick. Ready? Get some measurements. Right from the mouth. No. I think it might be, Chuck. Alright.
This loose one?
Yeah, I think it might be broke. 15 1/4. Four and 3/4 too, Chuck.
Okay.
What I asked for?
4 3/4?
No, the piece before that.
15 1/4? What's it supposed to be?
I don't know, I messed up like this. I mean, it's 1.5 short. I thought I added this. I didn't add the 1 1/4, dude. Oh, Charles. Charles. Chuck, you do it here. Hold this for 1 second.
Should we just go look inside?
No. Hold this valve still. Piece 16. Sorry, Chuck. A piece 3 1/2.
3 1/2?
Yes, sir.
Here's 4 3/4.
Yes, okay. We got no more pipe there, Chuck?
I'll do a double check.
Go double check. We're gonna need it. It's gonna be real close, especially if we got something in the back. Grab the screw gun and one of the gray 2-hole pipe traps, the PEX ones. It?
Yeah.
That's embarrassing. I gotta tell you. You know?
Yeah.
It really is. Is it plumber? Come on.
Oh, what kind of strap do you want? I got Mickey.
No, 2-hole.
Yeah.
Just the opposite one. Okay, we gotta start cleaning these up, alright? Always have a piece of handles with you, alright? Alright, Chuck. Alright. Press all. Just make sure the valves are straight, okay? And then I'll go get the screw. something's broke inside. Get her done, CB. CB, you got gray hair. Yeah. Right here, gray hair, CB. Oh, maybe it's blonde.
Scare me like that. So.
Oh, I hope there's no plate broke inside CB. I really don't. I really don't know, man. You know, I want today to be a nice, easy one, you know. All right, same hole, CB. Right now, the same hole, CB. Oh, maybe not. Rubber straps. Might come overhead, dude.
Go over the wall?
Yeah, it might come, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That sounds like fun.
Well, let's turn it on and see what happens here. Okay. Fortunately for the homeowner, unfortunately for us, the water's on. Yeah, boy. Like it. I am going to put some putty in here, though. Okay, Chuck? I want to putty this up. All right? Sweet. Moral of the story today.
Winterize your shower.
That's right. Winterize your shower. If not, you'll be calling us. Today's our lucky day. And the homeowner's lucky day. We ain't got to bust up no walls on the inside. Actually, a finished bedroom. So, with that, I call it a lucky for everybody. You know what I mean? There we go. That's snap right on there, baby. Come on. Big man did that. Oh, there it goes. All right. Boom. Okay. Take this one here. There we go. Look, see that.
Looks repaired.
Just in time for the summer season. Alright. You gotta make that list of what we need, okay? Here's one of the culprits. A little split in the old pipe ski. Alright, CB. You wanna do it or you want me to do it?
You got it.
Come on. You hot now?
Really hot.
What's our Monday morning saying today?
We done yet?
We're done yet. We just started, CB. Anyway, we got the shower fixed. No break on the inside wall, which would have been a finished bedroom. Would have been a little hack job on the walls, but in the end, we got her done. And with that, CB, and there goes another satisfied customer.